Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and yeah, you guessed it, it's time to make some soap. And today we'll be testing the final fragrance. This one is Blackberry Ambrosia from Nurture Soap. I have not used it, obviously. Smells terrific out of the bottle. It's a little hard to describe, but to me it's more like a fresh scent. But it got great reviews, so I really have no concerns with it. This will probably be the final fragrance I'm going to test for a while. I've done quite a few recently. This will probably be it for a little while at least. And for this one, we're going to have 3 colors in the base. I have white titanium dioxide. I'm going to have orange vibrance from Nurture Soap, and I'm not going to add anything to it. I'm going to leave it just like it is. We're going to have green vibrance from Nurture Soap. And I'm going to have a really light pink frosting on the top, which is Amaranth Pink, also from Nurture Soap. So yeah, our fragrance and our colorants are all from Nurture Soap. Probably going to add a hanger swirl through it, probably. Anyway, I think that's enough jibber jabber, so give me a minute to get set up and we'll get started. Okay, I am ready. It's time to get our soap colored. So we'll start with the white. Let me just give it a real quick buzz. And this is titanium dioxide mixed in hot water, which will definitely have to be stick blended later. But we'll start like this for now to get it ready. And we'll move to our orange. And this kind of lightens in soap, so I'm going to give a pretty heaping teaspoon to this. Give that a good stir. And our green vibrance. And do keep in mind that green vibrance morphs considerably, but it always goes back to this really pretty green after it saponifies. So it starts out okay, but after a minute or two it turns kind of a brownish green, not very pretty, but it always turns back, so I never panic. But if you haven't used it, be aware of that. Or if you're afraid of it because of that, don't be afraid, because it will turn back. It's a real pretty green right now. In just a minute or two, it's not going to be. So let's get these fragranced. And I'm going to just hand stir it in and stick blend the frosting. Once again, I know I can use the whole bottle, so I'm just going to put a quarter in each. I guess I am going to stick blend these because I didn't fully emulsify those. Pop goofed. Oh well. Getting ahead of myself. It's probably emulsified enough, but I don't want to find out the hard way that it's too weak or unstable, so oh well. But it's just going to be a quick buzz. Just a couple of pulses. See, the green's already turning that kind of brownish green. And it's going to get worse. Alright, let's get this poured. So I'm going to do just a regular drop swirl, and then the plan is to do a hanger swirl with it. And since this will take a while, I'll probably speed this up a little bit right at this point. Okay, it's time to cut our soap, and I'm really happy with it. Remember that real dark green vibrant? See how nice and bright it is right now? So yeah, real happy with this. I bet y'all think I forgot to do the hanger swirl with this. Well, in this instance, you're right, I did. I saw it sitting over there, and I had already made that nice pretty and had a nice smooth top on it. I just didn't want to mess it up, so oh well, let it go. I think it's still going to look good inside. Oh yeah, it does. Very nice. So even though I forgot to do the hanger swirl, I still really like the way these turned out. Time will tell if the fragrance holds, but so far I like it. Just notice it looks like we got a partial gel in the frosting. See how dark it is? Not sure if the camera picks it up. It's really dark, kind of down toward the body of the soap. I think it went through partial gel. But anyway, that's okay. Kind of gives it a two-tone effect. I'm really happy with these. And that's what I have this week, so I'll see you next weekend. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves and be blessed. Bye, everybody.